Level 6 of horse, very hard. It says now we're working with 3 players. All the previous ones have been 2. And the question is what? How many shots until a player is eliminated? So we're looking for the first player eliminated. So very similar to level 5, except now we've got a 3-player game. So we can just make some adjustments to our previous level. So let's jump to the other worksheet. And let's go up here, change this. It's going to be example 6. And let's see, now we got 3 players. All right, let's see if things are working okay. So again, player number 123, 123, that works, looks fine. All right, this went ahead and extended out, player misses. Cumulative score did not, so we'll need to, let me just do this. Need to copy that down, I'll just drag it down. Okay, let's see what else we need to adjust. So that's the, I'll just go ahead and show you the formula there. Okay, so we need to change, still looking for the first player that misses 5, so let's extend this down to player 3. All right, so let's make sure we got that okay. Yes, looking at player 3. Okay, so this would be same as, this would be the same answer here, or the same formula. I went ahead and built it so that it included more than 2 players. All right, and so we should just be able to copy this. Let's see here. That's example 54, example 6. Okay. Yes, this should be good then. Oh, no, I got to change that. Let's just go over here and we'll do another data table. This will be level 6. Answers. Okay. And run a data table again. Now we're starting at 81. So 20 rows, 1 column, starting at 81. Right. Data, what if, data table. Okay, column input is E6. Alright, so it should be 53 should be your answer. Some of them are exactly the same. We'll double check. I think they're probably the same. We've got there. Okay. Well, for some reason that copied all 54s. Let's go back to our results here. Okay. And that's example 6. Oh my goodness. All right, so copy, Control C, over here, right click, values. All right, so that is level 6. We didn't have to do much work because we built things earlier to accommodate more than 1 player, or excuse me, more than 2 players.